Israel's strike on Qatar was far more than just another news headline from a turbulent region. It became a powerful symbol, a single moment where the world watched American power visibly falter and its rivals quickly moved to fill the void. This all unfolded while Donald Trump was sitting in the White House. It is crucial to understand that Qatar is not a minor player. It hosts the largest American military base in the entire Middle East, Al Udeid Air Base. It also possesses colossal natural gas reserves that supply energy to both Europe and Asia. Yet, when the strike occurred, there was only silence from the American president. Trump's phone call to Doha came a full 20 minutes after the event was over. In the high-stakes diplomacy of the Middle East, timing is everything. That 20-minute delay sent a devastating message. To leaders in Riyadh, Abu Dhabi, and Cairo, it sparked a terrifying question. If the United States will not protect a critical ally like Qatar, a country that hosts its troops and immense wealth, then who will it protect? This incident was much more than a simple diplomatic mistake. It was the catalyst for a complete collapse of trust that had been building for years. It accelerated a global shift away from American dominance that we are now witnessing. The stakes could not be higher. Al Udeid Air Base is the operational command center for all U.S. military activities in the region. Without it, America's military presence would collapse almost instantly. So, when a country hosting such a vital asset was attacked, and the American response was merely a delayed phone call, it created a shockwave through every Gulf monarchy. American promises suddenly seemed hollow and worthless. This growing anxiety did not come out of nowhere. For decades, Arab states tolerated U.S. dominance for one simple reason: Washington promised protection. But by the time of this strike, the world was already changing. Many Gulf economies were quietly looking east, where Russia and China were actively offering weapons, investment deals, and something the U.S. seemed to be withdrawing: respect. Russia did not miss this critical opportunity. While Washington hesitated, Moscow moved with swift purpose. The Kremlin reached out directly to regional leaders, offering them security guarantees and a promise of non-interference. This stance provided a stark contrast to Trump's silence. Almost overnight, Russia began shifting from being a mere competitor to being seen as a credible security guarantor. The consequences of this erosion of trust are already reshaping the entire global order. The very foundation of American power, the U.S. dollar, is now under direct threat. For decades, the system that forced everyone to buy oil in dollars gave Washington immense economic and political power. But that system is now cracking. In the wake of the crisis, Saudi Arabia began accepting Chinese Yuan for its oil shipments. The United Arab Emirates started considering energy deals outside of the U.S. dollar. Even Qatar itself signed a major energy agreement with India that was denominated in rupees. This is not just simple financial diversification. It is a clear vote of no confidence in American leadership. The message from these actions is undeniable. If the United States can no longer be trusted as a reliable protector, then why should its currency remain the backbone of global trade? The strike on Qatar did not create these trends on its own. Instead, it exposed and dramatically accelerated them. We are witnessing not a single, isolated event, but a genuine historical turning point. Alliances are weakening, energy flows are shifting, and Washington's rivals are racing to expand their influence. The unraveling of American dominance is no longer a theory. It is happening right before our eyes. What do you think? Is this the beginning of a new, multipolar world? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more analysis.